Hey guys, Phantom Z1018 here with another video, taking another toy review of the Ultraman Orb Hurricane Slash pack, or Fusion Card pack. Now, before we take a look at these cards, let's take a look at the packaging they came with. Now here is the packaging. Looks really nice. I really miss these old packagings of Fusion cards back in 2016. As you can see, there has a nice image there of Ultraman Orb Hurricane Slash, stubborn Japanese I cannot read. And advertiser works on the Orb Ring on the Fusion Fight arcade machine. I don't have one near me, and it's probably thousands of miles away. And here is Ultraman Orb, Specium Superium. And here's where all the cards were. You just gotta cut from the side and lift out the plastic and make sure the cards slide out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it says Fusion Card Pack. Oh yeah, it says over here, Ultra Fusion Card. There we go. And Bandai logo, Super L logo, and yeah. And on the back there's some more advertisements, like it shows that if you fuse Zero, Cosmos, and Dyna, you could get Saga. If you fuse Jack and Zero, you get like Hurricane Slash, obviously. And if you fuse X and Cosmos, you get the exclusive, game exclusive form, Full Moon Zanami, I think it's the name. And they pick there up Ultraman Orb, Specium Superior, Kaiju cards, and advertisers works on the Fusion Fight machine, arcade machine. And yeah, more stuff in Japanese that I cannot read it. That's pretty much it. Now, let's get on with the video. And before we do that, I just want to do a little clarification. Sorry I haven't been making any more videos lately. It's because life and stuff like that's really getting busy. I'm not sure how will I be in the next month, to be in all seriousness. So yeah, let's get that out of the side. We're here to review cards, not my life, even though I hate my life. Anyways, now let's take a look at the Ultraman Zero card. As you can see, it has a nice artwork there of Ultraman Zero. I really miss these cards, and oh yeah, I bought this pack from Mandrake. Thank God there was one for like 2,000 yen, equals to $20 US dollars, compared to Amazon where I found one for like $97. So yeah, and on the back it has that. And here he is, and here is next. Here's Ultraman Jack. Looks really nice. Really nice. Here's Ultraman Dyna. Whoa, Dyna. So yeah. Here's Ultraman Cosmos. Very nice. Here's Ella King. Looks really nice. The Kaiju art on these fusion cards are way better than the Ultra ones, for some reason. Here's Red King. So that's all the cards. Now let's take a look at the sounds they make on the fusion, on the Orb ring. And I forgot to put it away. Yeah, and I forgot to bring it out. Alright, we're back. Alright, now, what do I think about these cards overall? Overall, these cards are really nice. Unfortunately, they're really hard to find, these fusion cards nowadays. Considering most Ultraman gimmick toys and packs and stuff like that tend to like be hard to find when it's been like 5 or 6 years after their runtime. I would say get this either on Mandarake or other Japanese sites where you can get them for a cheaper price compared to Amazon and eBay where they're expensive. So yeah. These fusion cards were fun. They were really nice. They had some nice features on the old ring, considering the lights, the sounds they make, and yeah. So guys, I got this pack from Mandarake, so if you want to get yours, I mean there's none right now, but check Mandarake nowadays. So yeah. Anyways guys, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Be sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well. That'll be linked down below. And yeah guys, hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you all next video. Bye guys.